Happy Thanksgiving. Let's make some mac and cheese. Okay, this is what you're gonna need. Some pasta, some evaporating milk, 3 or 2 blocks of sharp cheddar, or you can use whatever cheese you want. Some shredded cheese. I like to throw a little Velveeta and a little bit of cream cheese in there. And then some garlic powder, onion powder, and salt and pepper. And then of course the pan you're gonna cook it in. Okay, just cut your cheese like that. Yep, there we go. Cut your cheese, throw it in there. I love cutting cheese. So this is the sharp cheddar. Throw it in there. A half stick of cream cheese. Again, cut that in 4. Throw that in there. And then your Velveeta. This is your Velveeta. There you go, same thing. Cut your Velveeta and just like that. Okay, wait till your water is boiling. Go ahead and put a little bit of salt in there. There we go, a little bit of salt. And then pour in your pasta. There we go. Put that pasta in there. We're gonna feed the whole fam. Yeah, we're feeding the fam. Go ahead and mix that in. There you go. And let that boil. Okay, as the pasta cooks, now it's time to work on the cheese sauce. Now this is very critical, making the cheese sauce. So what you want to pour is some high evaporating milk here. What I'm going to do is 1.5 cans. I'm actually going to make 2 batches of this, but I'm only going to show you one. So let's just do 1.5 cans. So 1.5 cans. And now you want to add your cheese. So let's add my cheese in there. Put the cheese in there. This is the really most important part, is the cheese sauce. You don't want to mess up that cheese sauce. So go ahead and get that in there, get all that cheese in there. And remember, keep it medium heat. You don't want to burn the cheese. You just want to melt it to make that creamy, lovely cheese sauce. And then you want to add some of your seasoning. All right, a little bit of onion powder. Get it in there. Onion powder. A little bit of onion powder. A little bit of garlic salt. There we go. Make sure, I love pepper. I love pepper. I'm just gonna get the pepper in there. There we go. And then just a little bit of salt. Not too much salt. Not too much. Just a little bit of salt. Then you want to go ahead and mix that in there and let that melt. Let that melt. Continually turn the cheese. Sometimes you have to continually turn the cheese and twist it. Sometimes you turn up the heat just a little bit to speed it up. But this is what you want to do. Keep stirring it. It's going to get nice and thick. All the cheese is going to melt. It's going to be delicious. And now as you can see, after about 15-20 minutes, this is what you want. See, nice and thick. This is done. This is the cheese sauce. This is the magic. The magic. But remember, continually stir it until it gets nice and thick and all that cheese is melted in there. Yummy. Now you get all the pasta in there. Get all that pasta in there. And you take your cheese sauce, so that delicious cheese sauce, put it all in there. Oh, that's so good. More cheese sauce. Oh man. Alright. And now you just mix it in there. Go ahead and mix it in there. There you go. Just like that. Go ahead and mix it in there. I love this part. And it smells so good. And this cheese sauce actually works for like nachos and things like that. You can use it for that stuff too. This is really good mac and cheese. It's pretty much the fundamental dish of Thanksgiving. People will really judge you. You come with some weak mac and cheese. And I've tested this one. It's been proven. Works. Just keep mixing it in there. Keep working it in there. Keep working it in there. Oh man. Keep it all in there. All that cheese. Go ahead and smooth it out here. And now you just want to bake it at 350 until it's brown on top. So preheat the oven and bake it until it's brown. Delicious mac and cheese. Thanks for watching.